It's a common pattern in Colorado this time of year.
Colorado is just back and forth all the time. Like, it'll be really nice, sunny, and then the next day it's freezing cold.
That's why you've got to be prepared, especially if you commute or are planning a trip to the high country. Filmmaker Ty Miller is working in Genesee. He says he never underestimates how serious a Colorado storm can be.
If you're doing any type of off-road driving, always have chains, things like that.
Make sure your car is tuned up, has a good battery, and a healthy tread on those tires.
I mean, honestly, I just think having some snow tires or even all-terrain tires, just making sure that you're not going out with some bald tires on the roads.
Prep your home by sealing doors and windows and protecting your pipes. When water freezes, it expands. Pipes can burst. Open cabinets to allow more heat inside the walls. Meg Moody of the Plant Garage tells Fox 31 you should protect potted outdoor plants by bringing them inside if you can.
If you can't bring them in, you can cover with frost cloth or blankets. Wrap the base of the pot with a thick blanket to prevent the root ball from freezing.
Water everything well before the cold weather rolls in.
Drought-ridden plants are more susceptible to frost damage.
And keep exotic varieties away from vents and windows.
We don't want them sitting up against the glass and getting cold.